Hey, teacher friend. Listen really quickly because I know you're busy. First of all, thank you so much for journeying with me through what has been another great school year so far. The holidays are here, so as we think about shutting down this first semester, going into second semester, and going into an all new year, my hope for us as teachers, as educators, as education thought leaders, anybody involved in the education space is that we begin to prioritize our own health and wellness more deeply, specifically with the health of our eyesight. As you may already know, I have partnered with Firmoo Eyewear, and I must tell you that if you are in the market for your next fabulous pair of glasses that are comfortable and that are inexpensive, please give Firmoo a try. Rather than supporting designer brands and designer labels that really couldn't care about your business, Firmoo does a really great job with connecting with their customers. They have so many different choices of frames. They'll work with your prescription, and they work hard to earn your business. Recently, I received 2 pairs of wonderful Firmoo glasses. The first one are these wonderful lenses in this design. And what Firmoo has done is combined a blue light blocking lens, which is perfect and essential for teachers, along with a very small reading prescription that my doctor has ordered for me. My glasses are comfortable, they fit my style, and I love to match them up with my outfits. In addition, I did finally cave in and get myself a pair of aviators, which I have wanted for a very long time. The aviators are in this style. And just like with all of their versions of glasses, Firmoo has done a really great job on their rendition on the classic aviator. And they have blended it with a polarized lens so that it adjusts based on the sunlight, which is really, really important if you're like me and you're on the road in the morning before the sun is fully up and then leaving in the afternoon as the sun is going down. As an educator and on this platform, I say it all the time that we need to do all we can to stay fit to teach. And part of that means taking care of our eyesight. So going into this new year, please prioritize your eyesight, your vision over the course of your lifetime. But if nothing else, investing in an awesome pair of blue light blocking lenses or prescription readers, if that's your goal alongside your eye doctor. I've included my link below in the description as well as a coupon code so that you can enjoy 50% off your first purchase. We are teachers, so we don't need to be paying full price for anything. And I guarantee you, you will walk into 2025 loving your eyeglasses and being glad that you're taking this step. Have a great school year and happiest of holidays to you. Do all you can to stay fit to teach. Be well.